Got it.
Success. Okay. We're out here on the farm today. Just picking peaches. We're looking for tomatoes. We're gonna go pet some sheep. Walter's Fruit Ranch. Holla.
Holla.
Oy. Oh. Let's go pet some sheep. People drive through here?
I could never imagine this.
Like, oh, should we just pull up on their lawn?
Through the trees.
No. Okay. Fucking cute. Oh, I see him.
Oh, a mouse here.
It's eating a mouse. Barnyard maze. Oh my gosh. Wow. How fun if you're a kid. Oh. Hi, sheeps. Look at this
It's like the Prudence version.
one. Literally. What's going on? Hey, sweeties. Hey, sweeties. Oh. Should have been like, oh, actually, I'm famous on YouTube, and this is actually for my 42 subscribers. I just figure, you know, if I keep saying that, yeah. I don't know. Damn. Okay. What do you think? Zucchini? Maybe just one? Because these are massive.
Yeah.
Oh, took the top off.
Rip the tip.
Rip the tip.
there's some other mixture down this way
Yeah.
too. It's a radish.
That might be a radish. No way. Holy hell. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we'll take home a few of these big boys. Oh, jeez.
I can't.
Like in this one little pod. Here's another big one. That's the biggest radish I've ever seen. Alright, well this one's loose, so I might as well take it too. Okay, you guys. Damn. I think those are beans, green beans. Like I think.
It's like, must be a variety I've never seen before.
Look at these things. Insane radishes.
Biggest radish bunch I've ever seen in my life.
Literally. Like all of these radishes need to go. Come get your radishes. Hidden Acres Farm. There's some bigger ones over here too.
Oh, I have my bag. Hello.
Yum. Oh my god. They're so good. Face down, ass up in the dirt. Mm-hmm. But look. Oh.
There's a marigold that you can plant that helps fight off pests.
To me. Put it in. Oh, there's one in there already. What? Oh.
Maybe it's stuck. Oh, I think you need one more. He's stuck. I think, no?
I think that one's just stuck. This is, oh. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Oh, you heard the sound. I'm sorry. Hi. I'm sorry I don't have anything. I'm sorry, little cuties. This couldn't be any cuter. How do we do it? Help. Help.
Usually it's like a stuck on top, I thought.
Or maybe on this side?
Oh. I wonder if this person got confused too.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. How many people?
All right. I don't know. Not everyone. Okay. I'm gonna feel real bad when not everyone gets a bite. Okay. So you can have just a little bit. Okay. Yum yum. Here, baby. Here, baby. Okay. All right. Ew. Yummy. Yum. Yay. Oh, you're all so sweet. You're all so sweet.
It's supposed to go all the way around. I think that it's jammed in there. Oh, I lost what I was trying to say.
Design flaw, I think.
It's meant for peanut M&Ms.
Yep.
What if my hand's a trough? Whoa, that guy. Oh, this guy. Prudence, okay?
Yum.
Crunch a little bit.
Yum.
Nice. What a treat.
Babies.
That was overwhelming.